Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an affordable OBD2 scanner designed specifically for Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, and Seat vehicles, you've probably come across the 2025 ANCEL VD500. Today, we're putting it to the test, checking out what it can do, where it shines, and where it falls a little short. Stick around for the full review, plus pros and cons at the end. The ANCEL VD500 scan tool for VW can not only read and clear codes on engine, ABS, transmission, SAS, ESP, TPMS, and other systems, but also reset the oil, brake pad, EPB service, and throttle position adaptation. If you don't know how to do it, please contact us in time. Include your car model, year, and the function you want to do. The OBD2 scanner can read and clear fault codes, display fault code definitions, turn off the CL, check engine light, and retrieve an information only. DTC's diagnostic trouble codes can only be cleared after the vehicle's fault has been repaired. Please fix the issue before clearing codes. The VD500 diagnostic scanner for Audi offering for Volkswagen vehicles covers the following vehicles: fits for VW, fits for Audi, fits for Skoda, diagnostics. This diagnostic scan tool comes with English and German as default languages. You can also download Spanish, French, and Italian from the official website, based on your preferences. Plus, you can update the software through the website to fix errors or add new features. The ANCEL VD500 is truly plug-and-play. No complicated networking or batteries required. Simply connect it and use it anywhere in your car, anytime. Fast, easy, and convenient. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: affordable prices, compact, and lightweight. No extra setup, good coverage for VW/Audi. And cons: limited to VAG cars for full features, no advanced coding or programming, small screen, and simple interface. So, should you buy the 2025 ANCEL VD500? If you drive a VW, Audi, Skoda, or Seat and just want to clear codes, monitor sensors, and do simple resets without spending a fortune, this tool is hard to beat. But if you own multiple car brands or need advanced functions like coding and adaptations, you might want to step up to a higher-end scanner. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive tool reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've tried the VD500 or any other ANCEL scanners. Until next time, drive safe and keep those check engine lights off.